because God gave them.
That's a vile affection. Look at how this dude is walking, man. That's a vile affection, man.
And he was a little extra because he passed by us. Yeah. He was extra, yeah.
Doing this song and dance.
Fruit ball nigga, man. Fruit ball nigga. Yeah, fruit ball nigga.
Yeah, extra, man.
For even their women did change their natural use into that which is against nature.
See, that's against nature, man. And that's all this world do, man. When you be in this big world and this big lifestyle, all this is orgy parties. Freaked out.
Right.
Women doing women, all of that. Freaked out. It'll freak you out, man. And you become part of that, man. You know what I mean? You get your woman and your wife like women. You like the goddamn
He saw us pinked out.
freaked out, really.
And likewise also the men.
That's a big thing. What the brother said, swingers, man. There's a lot of swingers. There's orgies out here. There's a lot of swingers out here, man. You know what I mean? And they know that, like they got something on their car. Like this one dude, a brother was telling me he had something on his car, and the white dude was like, "Yo, what's up, man? You want to come home with us?" And he was like, "What?" But he didn't know. I guess he didn't know. Maybe he didn't know. But I guess he didn't have the swinger thing on his car. And the white dude was like, "Yo, you got the swinger thing on your car, man. You don't play games with this, man. You're serious about this right here. You want to come home with us or not?" Yeah, they got things like that. It's a swinger club, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And they come out late at night, man.
On the prowl.
On the prowl,
Yeah.
Come out late at night.
On the prowl, like.
And likewise also the men, leaving the natural use of the woman, burning their own lust, one towards another.
Just Sodom everywhere. Damn.
Right? Like the heart of Brooklyn, man.
Yeah.
Sodomites, man.
Salakia, it's going to even be more. This new building going up. It's going to be the tallest building ever in Brooklyn. The first skyscraper in Brooklyn, right there. And when they finish it, that's going to be a residential. So it's going to be even more.
They got money, man. Wicked Jake be going down with that. Wicked Jake be, what Jake, man?
Yeah.
What Jake be doing that, man, with coming out at night. I got my broken mother. I ain't gonna tell anybody about this. I see it. What the fuck? What if I ain't tell anybody? Wicked ass Jake, man. You know what I mean? Because a lot of jailhouse niggas is almost on a lot of niggas go to jail and they don't homo. You know what I mean? And that's wicked. So this place got
Men were men working that which is unseemly,
men with men working that which is unseemly, come on.
and receiving in themselves that recompense of their error which was meant.
Right. A lot of homos get killed, man. A lot of trannies get killed. A lot of trannies get killed on the low, man. They be finding their bodies, man. But some niggas ain't with that garbage, man. You know what I mean? The nigga telling me, the nigga put you to death, man. Huh? God, yeah, that's crazy, man. The word of the Lord's coming through. We're going to keep teaching this word. Warm y'all shout out. Warm y'all shout out. Shout up. Warm your shout out. This is a real elder.
Not the clubhouse fake page. Right? So we're going to continue with the word of the Lord. Let's give all praise, honor, and glory to the Most High. Alright, Brother Barcelona, Young Cub, Alpha Sharad, all the brothers spoke blood and spirit. Yamashop, right before I came, all the brothers spoke blood and spirit. We're going to keep the energy going. Now, this is about endurance, then, bro. You know, and staying on that path, man. You know, just to let me back pick up where the elder left off, man. They turning our brothers out here.
Right.
And then within a 3 minute, damn 2 minute, not even 3 minutes, 2 minutes, like 5 Sodomite Edomites just walked through this area right here.
Sodom
The
and
fish
Gomorrah.
come out at night.
Wow.
It's after 10 p.m. They done gentrified Brooklyn, so they like, yo, this is homo time, man. This is our It's homo time now. You know what I'm saying? It ain't 88 no more with niggas from Fort Greene with 10 gold ropes on. Like, I see a faggot nigga. Homo ass niggas for that. Even though a lot of them so-called gangster niggas was on the down low.
Right.
From back then, the 70s and 80s, they was raping niggas in jail.
Right.
Taking niggas manhood, so to speak.
water king. How about you, y'all shall rock it out, King? Good look, King. Good. Shalom.
Ask him, is it back on?
Is it back on?
He hung up?
Is it back on?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. It should be good now. It should be good now. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, go ahead.
It's funny that when Malik Yoba was on the Breakfast Club, let me tell you something. He said that he had that sodomite up there. He said, what's all the big deal about a dick? It's just a dick.
Yeah.
They were so thinking they got you know that they wanted to be like it don't matter no more. You know
Right,
what I'm saying?
it just
Who
anything
care
goes.
about somebody's dick?
Why you worried about it?
Yeah.
Because that's how I'm gonna keep my nation going.
Right,
What are you
right.
talking about?
Like
That's how I'm gonna pleasure my wife.
Like
nigga.
that's inconsequential.
That's why it matters.
Right.
The hell you talking about?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like it just don't matter.
Like it just
Whatever's whatever.
yeah.
Nah, give me that, brother. June 7th, yeah. June 1 to 7.
It's all this about a dick. Who care about a dick?
Jude.
That nigga was off.
Yeah, he was off.
Jude 1-7.
Go ahead.
Even as Sodom and Gomorrah
Come on.
and the cities about them,
Go ahead.
in like manner, giving themselves over to
They
fornication
gave themselves over to fornication. Go ahead.
and going after strange flesh,
Or queer flesh. Go ahead.
are set forth for an
And
example.
when you look at Sodom and Gomorrah, the Most High burned it down because it was an example.
Right.
That was for future generations to not be so damn sexually evil.
Right.
All right, come on.
Suffering the vengeance of eternal
What
fire.
did the Lord bring on Sodom and Gomorrah?
Suffering the
The
vengeance
vengeance,
of
come
eternal
on.
fire.
The Lord said that Sodom and Gomorrah suffered the vengeance of eternal fire. The Most High brought judgment upon them, man.
Right.
So these Tinkerbell football ass dudes, man,
Right. So, Lucky, another funny thing is the last major role Malik Yoba had was why did I get married and why did I get married too? It's just ironic that why did you get married? You a damn sorry. Why did you get married?
Right.
Yeah.
They broke him.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, why did you get married?
Why did you get
And
married?
you like men. You know what I'm saying? I'm not coming out, I'm stepping up.
Right.
You don't
Stepping
step
up to a rod.
The Most High, that's when selling out goes wrong.
Right.
Remember Dave Chappelle, when
Right.
keeping it real goes wrong?
Right.
That's when selling out goes wrong.
Right.
You sold out for nothing.
For nothing.
And you ain't got nothing.
No
I ain't
goodies-
seen-
no
I ain't
goodies
seen
came
him
with
in
that.
A goddamn commercial sense.
Yeah.
That nigga ain't in a damn Geico commercial.
Right.
Nothing. See that because the Most High make it backfire.
Right.
You all this manly man and you
Yeah.
grew up Muslim and you all, you know, say got the masculine energy in the New York undercover, even though he dressed up like a dragon.
Right.
Episode in the Eddie dressed up in drag.
Yeah.
The Most High mocked them. They dressed up in drag to catch a killer that was killing trannies.
Right.
That was an episode of New York Undercover. Yeah. Right? Yeah. He talked about the hood is killing the trannies.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it's evil as hell, man. Wicked as hell. What do you niggas want to learn? Right? You know what I'm saying? But, you know, that sodomite spirit is all over the place. So anyway, we going to continue on. Give me Song of the Three Holy Children 1 and 9.
Huh.
All right, Song of the Three Holy Children. Now, what happened with our man Biden, right? Your man Biden, Biden want to give niggas crack pipes. Yeah. The man want to give niggas crack pipes in Black History Month. They call it safe smoking kits. The man, this man is the devil that the Bible speaks of, man. The man want to get, he called it safe smoking kits, meaning, in other words, if you niggas gonna smoke crack, this is what he's saying. If you gonna smoke crack, here's a safer way to do it. Yeah, man, look it up. He want to get safer drug kits, man. Smoke something about safer smoke, something. I said, this man is the devil that the Bible speaks of. This Biden is evil as hell. This nigga want to give you crack pipes for Black History. Give me Song of the Three Holy Children 1 and 9. Go, verse 9.
So, Lucky, what's Friday?
Friday's looking good. Friday's looking good. Saturday is a feast day, so we'll be out in Jersey. But Friday's looking good, man.
Nah, off the set.
Right, now live off the set.
Good.
Right, Song of the Three Holy Children. Come here, Come here. 1 and 9. Read.
This is the book of the Song of the Three Holy Children, aka Prayer of Azariah, verse 9. And thou didst deliver us into the hands of lawless enemies.
Right, the Babylonians at the time, the Lord said he delivered us into the hand of lawless enemies. Good.
Most hateful forsakers of the Most High.
So this is like twofold, because you can use this for the
Guys,
Babylonian
I
era.
really hate to tell you
And-
this, but
and-
this guy is not an audience. That
Right.
means you don't have an audience. That means
Excuse me?
you're talking into
The angels are the audience. All right, that's who's the audience. All right, mind your damn business. All right, mind your business. The angels is the audience. All right? Read it again, brother. So that we want to show you right now.
This is the book of the Song of the Three Holy Children, aka Prayer of Azariah, verse 9.
Go ahead.
And thou didst deliver us in the hands of lawless enemies.
Yeah, he did us deliver us into the hand of lawless enemy. That's what the so-called white man is. He's a lawless enemy of the nation of Israel. Right? Just like the Babylonians were back then. But remember, America's modern day Babylon. So it's the same spirit. Go ahead.
Most hateful forsakers of the Most High.
And they're most hateful forsakers of the Most High. They don't love the Lord in this society.
No.
That's why they allow all this wickedness to go on, man.
No.
All right, go ahead.
And to an unjust king.
And to an unjust king. This society is an unjust king. Why would you, as a president, why would you give drug paraphernalia to people? You're supposed to say, we weapon. And look at it, look at what is happening. It's in Black History Month. They always mark out for Black History Month. And now remember, crack was more so seen as a so-called African American drug. You know, these Edomites are hooked on opioids now. Now remember, the opioid epidemic is bigger than the crack epidemic now. The heroin epidemic is bigger than the crack epidemic now. But he said, you niggas love some crack, so I'm gonna mock you. All right, go ahead, read on. Go ahead.
And the most wicked in all the world.
And the Lord said, what?
And the most wicked
And the most
in
wicked,
all the world.
And the most wicked in all the world. And this man is the devil that the Bible speaks of. He said, Happy Black History Month, Negro. Here's a crack pipe. This and crack ain't even like it used to be. It's still out here, don't get me wrong. And crack is very much still out there. But it ain't like the 80s, early 90s. Even mid-90s. Let's give it the mid-90s. A couple crackheads was left over. It ain't like it used to be. And you know what? That's for them to take the attention off the opioid epidemic. Now they got opioid. There's a whole big plan that they got. They got stuff in there for people on opioids or whatever. But see how the Most High work that crack pipe stuck out because we Black History. You know what I'm saying? Who did they? When you read the Immaculate Deception of Bush crime family revealed, they tell you that the George Bush and the CIA, they set up the crack epidemic to kill our people. That was a setup. Right when that cop in Los Angeles was exposing the CIA, that website years ago was called Cop versus CIA, and he was exposing how him and Freeway Rick Ross, how the CIA was giving them the crack. So the crack, they tried to destroy us with the cocaine and heroin in the 70s. Then when that didn't work, they brought in crack in the 80s. So now is it 2022 and Biden's still saying he's going to give you a crack pipe? You see how this man is? Right, give me Leviticus, what you holding? Give me Leviticus 26:14. This man hate our guts, man. The man said he's going to give you a safe crack pipe. You know what I'm saying? A safe crack pipe.
We just came in with Adam recently.
All right, yeah.
Over the mayor. Now he'll
God, you check the phone, brother, make sure it's
Yeah.
off the thing. It's like it.
Yeah, the man want to give you a safe
Crack pipe. The man want to give you a crack pipe for Black History Month. Happy Black History Month, niggas. Here's a crack pipe. Right, here you go. Gotta bring it out.
I put it in the chat. Like, yo, but he bringing crack back?
Yeah.
The president is promoting.
Yeah. See, the man, that shows you Esau's getting desperate.
Yes, sir.
Esau getting, it's just anything to kill these niggas. Bring crack back. We're going to get out of crack pipes.
Right.
Because, see, they know our people ain't really on the crack like that.
Right.
I know a lot of Jakes and Eve that recovered from it and living good, productive lives. That was smoked the hell out of them in the 80s. I used to hustle them. You know what I'm saying? I didn't give a damn. I just wanted to fast money. You know what I'm saying? But I know a lot of black kids that are here. You know, there's still some crackers out here, don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? Especially in a lot of these other states, because sometimes these other states, don't disrespect, they be like 20 years behind. They still be stuck in time in these other states. But crack is still everywhere, don't get me wrong. People still smoking. But they know it ain't nothing
this.
Right, go ahead.
This is the book of Leviticus, chapter 26, verse 14.
Come on.
But if ye will not hearken unto me,
And all this because we didn't listen to the Most High. Go ahead.
and will not do all these commandments,
Lamentations 4:17. Right, go ahead.
and if ye shall despise my
The
statutes,
Lord said you're going to despise his statutes. We despise his statutes. Go ahead.
or if your soul abhor my judgments,
Go ahead.
so that ye will not do all my commandments,
Come on.
but that ye break my covenant,
That's what our people do. We broke the Lord's covenant. Go ahead.
I also will do this unto you.
Go ahead.
I will even appoint over you terror.
The Lord said what?
Terror.
That's an act of terror from the president, man. He's using crack to try to terrorize us as a people. Right, go ahead. If you're gonna
Consumption.
Smoke crack, smoke it safe. Because that man is the devil. And that like went over people's head. Like, do you realize what this man is doing? Right, go ahead.
Consumption.
Go ahead.
And the burning earth.
The burning agony.
The burning agony.
Of different diseases. Go ahead.
That shall consume the eyes.
Go ahead.
And cause sorrow of heart.
Come on.
And ye shall sow your seed in vain.
Jump down to 17.
17. And this is the book of Leviticus, chapter 26, verse 17.
Go ahead.
And I will set my face against you,
Go ahead.
and ye shall be slain before your
God
enemies.
said he was going to set his face against us and slay us before our enemies. Go ahead.
They that hate
You
you,
know the white man loves us.
they that hate you,
Your president is telling you it's safe to smoke crack, Negro.
they that hate you,
They that hate you, your president is giving you a damn crack pipe for Black History Month. Right, go ahead.
shall reign over you.
They that hate you shall
Reign
rule
over
over you. Your president, your leader of the free world, is giving you niggas a crack pipe for damn Black History, but I can't even say it. Right, come on.
And ye shall flee when none pursueth
God
you.
said you shall flee when none pursueth you. Go ahead.
And if ye will not yet for all this hearken unto me,
The Lord said, for all this that I'm going to have done to y'all, if y'all still don't want to listen, you niggas still can't see this man as the devil and eat you, he will offer you a damn crack pipe. Right, come on.
then I will punish you 7 times
The
more.
Lord said, you know, I'm going to finish you niggas off, man. If you can't see that this man is the devil for what he's doing to you, I'm going to finish you off. 7 represents completion. That man going to offer you a damn crack pipe. If you can't see this man as the damn devil, then the Lord will just destroy you totally. Right, read what you got, man.
This is the book of Lamentations, chapter 4, verse 17.
Jeremiah 2:33. Right,
As for us, our eyes has yet failed for our vain help.
the Lord said, unto us, our eyes yet fell for our vain help. Come on.
In our watching,
And our watching, go ahead.
we have watched for a nation
Watch for a nation. Come on.
that could not save
The
us.
white man can't save you. He gonna give you a damn crack pipe, man. He want you to go get smoked out somewhere. Nigga, go, they say 2022. It's 1982. Go back to some crack. Hop on that, man. I ain't gonna let it go. I'm not gonna let it go, man. This dude gives me some damn crack pipe. He might as well give you the crack too. Alright, he might as well put a couple rocks in there with it. Alright, now read it again.
Lamentations chapter 4, verse 17.
Come on.
As for us, our eyes has yet failed for our vain help.
Go ahead.
In our watching, we have watched for a nation that could not save us.
The white man has no interest in learning you. As long as you stay a slave, stay in order, if he can't kill you, all right, just stay a slave. Let me keep you alone. I can't kill you, but let me keep you alone. Right. So this way, happy, President Biden. Because remember, what Biden said, what? Biden said, if you don't vote for me, then you're not black. Remember that? He said that to us, Charlotte. Like they had Negroes, black peas in Congress. Black peas in Congress so you can vote. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Next thing you know, they're going to tell you, look, if you take the jab, we give you a back pipe. You know, if you take the vaccine, what do you do? Yo, what are our people going to learn, man? This man hates your damn guts, man. Give me Psalms that for him. Yeah, Jeremiah 2:33. Give me Psalms 81:6. right? Fuck, 8:26. Read what you got,
This is
you
the
know?
book of Jeremiah, chapter 2, verse 33.
Go ahead.
Right trimmeth thy
See,
way.
our people trimmes their ways. You call it Kamala, Kamani. They call it Kamani. By the way, she's not a black woman. That's not a black woman. I don't respect no black woman. All right? Where she claims she's a Caribbean miss, that's a damn stick all the way. All right, go ahead.
Right trimmeth thy way
See, our people trimmes their ways. Go ahead.
to seek love.
To seek love. Oh, we got a black vice president and Biden is a Democrat. He gonna be better than Trump. Let's vote for them. If you don't vote for me, you're not black. Our people trim their ways to seek love. You compromise yourself. That's what the Lord is saying. You gotta be a president that you so-called niggas voted for and thought he was gonna be so better than Trump. And the nigga giving you a crack pipe.
Right.
Because he's the real nigga.
Right.
He's giving you a damn crack pipe, man.
Right.
It's funny.
President.
Your son is a crackhead, man. So now he's gonna draw you Negroes in. All these presidents will be, let me finish too, man. Dick Cheney, the vice president, Dick Cheney, is going to the full roll left. Right, look at what's his name, what's his name, which one did the son drop there? Wasn't it Biden too? Yeah, when his other son dropped there.
Something named Bo.
Yeah, Bo Biden, he dropped this. Most time he's jacking these presidents and leaders up. The elder put out the pick the other week. Bill Clinton is finished. His ass is a coke step away from death. That's what messed up Bill Clinton. All that coke, man. Just all that coke. That's why he had 3 and 4 triple bypass surgeries and nigga heart almost jumped out of his chest. Just all that coke. They said the man had a nose like a vacuum. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Sniffing up all that damn coke coming from South America.
Hoover.
Right, remember, he was governor of Arkansas, and he was laundering all that drug money for the drug Tyson Foods and other government agencies. They said the man was laundering all that money. And he was sniffing on that damn. The man sniffed it because now he was so bold. The man sniffed so much that he didn't release, yo. And they tell you
The book of Psalms.
hold on. Finish out Jeremiah. Select Jeremiah 2:33.
This is the book of Jeremiah, chapter 2, verse 33. Right trimmeth thy way to seek love.
Finish your way. Oh, we got a white, black friendly president. Then we got a black woman, a sister gal. We got a sister gal for vice president. He ain't no goddamn sister gal. Now, half the time I forget about damn Kamala Harris. That's right. Yeah, half the time I forget about her. I'm dead. She's a vice president. A sister gal. So you guys, you say we gonna run to the voting polls, get Trump out of there, and get somebody that's more pretty than black people. Man, the man is giving you a crack like 2 years.
Yep.
So your damn black people, man. Isn't that something? Because you trim your damn way to seek love, thinking these politicians want to help you, and the politicians are nothing but a damn bunch of damn tricksters, man. All right, read what you got, man.
Therefore hast thou also taught the wicked one thy
The
ways?
Lord said, you taught the wicked one your ways? All right, I guess Biden said, my son's a crackhead, so you niggas got to be back on track. Give me Psalms 81:6. Bring that out, so like you.
This is the book of Psalms, chapter 81, verse 6.
Good help.
I remove his shoulder from the burden.
What the Lord say?
I remove his shoulder from the burden.
Try 7.
God. Psalms 81, verse 7. Thou callest in trouble, and I delivered thee.
The Lord said, our people, we called them in trouble and he delivered us. What's one of the most famous deliverance in the scriptures? Out of Egypt. All right, come on. That's when we celebrate the Passover every year. That's coming up soon. Go ahead.
I answered thee in the secret place of thunder.
Go ahead.
I proved thee at the waters of Meribah.
Because the Lord dealt with
Selah.
us through the wilderness and different trials and tribulations. Right, come on.
Verse 8. Hear, O my
He
people,
said, here, that's what I want to eat. All right, here, all my people. Go ahead.
and I will testify unto thee,
The Lord said he would testify unto us. Come on.
O Israel,
Go ahead.
if thou wilt hearken unto me.
Right, we have to hearken unto the Most High. We got to listen, say, Lord, take instruction. The root word to hearken is hear. All right, let's hear. Shema Israel, hear, O Israel. Now, when you really go into the Hebrew, that really means to listen. Not just hear, but listen. Pay attention. Right, come on.
Verse 9, there shall no strange power be in thee.
Right, no strange power. The white man is not your God. What? He want to give you a crack pipe. All right, go ahead.
Neither shalt thou worship any strange God.
Go ahead.
I am the power, the Most High, thy power,
He's the Most High, our power. Go ahead.
which brought thee out of the land of Egypt.
Come on.
Open thy mouth wide, and I will fill it.